King studs are like the backbone in framing when you're putting in windows or doors, holding everything up straight and solid. So, here's the scoop on king studs. They run full height from the bottom plate to the top plate of a wall, right next to window or door openings. They're the main support for the trimmer studs and the header that goes over the opening, making sure the load from above gets carried down properly. When you're framing, you nail these bad boys directly into the plates at top and bottom so they stay sturdy. If you're planning to add a window or door, spotting where your king studs go helps you figure out where everything else fits around it. Without king studs, the whole structure could sag or shift, which nobody wants. You can usually spot them because they're right at the edge of your opening, standing tall and straight. Just remember, these studs have to be full height. No cutting corners here because they handle a lot of weight. One of the biggest mistakes people make with king studs is not installing them full height, which messes with the structural integrity and can cause sagging around openings. Fix that by always ensuring your king studs stretch from bottom plate to top plate without gaps. Another common slip-up is confusing king studs with trimmer studs. King studs run full height and support trimmers, while trimmers are shorter and hold up the header. To avoid this mix-up, label your studs before nailing anything down. Lastly, some folks forget to nail king studs securely into both plates, which can lead to movement over time. Make sure you use enough nails at both ends to keep things locked tight. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about framing and more. Contractors also get a leg up because the site connects them with people ready to start projects, making it easier to grow their business without all the hassle.